Hello guys, this is Farz and I am here with another color grading tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how to create a metallic silver color grading. So let's get started. Okay, this is the image, so copy the layer by pressing Ctrl and J and then convert it to a smart object, and then open it with camera raw filter. And I'll add some contrast, just a little bit, around 7 or 8, and also increasing the exposure just a little, and decrease the highlights. I'm giving -100, and bump up the shadows. I'm giving 100, and -26 or 25 for white. That's good. And I also decreasing the black. I think around 35 is perfect, and increasing the clarity. I'm giving 20 for clarity and 15 for dehaze. Then I'm giving 25 for vibrance, and I am decreasing the saturation. I think around -30 is good. Then go to tone curve and bring this point a little bit up. Here input 0 and output 18, and now create a second point. Just like this. Here I am giving input 17 and output 47. Then create the third point. That's good. Here I am giving input 126 and output 118. And now create another point just like this. Okay, that's good. Here input 191 and output 173. That's good. Then go to sharpening. I wanna add some sharpness. I think around 20 is good, and I'm increasing the radius. Think 1.9, and decrease the details a little bit, around 15. Then come into the noise reduction. Here I am giving 30. That's good. And here 40 for color and 70 for color detail, and increasing the color smoothness around 85. That's good. Then go to HSL adjustment layer and come to hue. And I'm decreasing the range, -5 I think. Then -3 for orange, and I want the yellows little bit orangish look, so I'm giving -50 for this, and for the green -15. That's good. And 27, -27 for purples, and -25 for magenta. Then come into saturation, and to increase the rate, so I am giving 22 for this, and I'm to decrease the orange, so I'm giving minus 30 and minus 100 for yellows, greens, aquas, blues, purples, and the magenta. Look at this, it's already looks dramatic. Then go to luminance, I'm giving plus 10 for orange, then minus 11 for green, and plus 8 for aquas, and minus 30 for blues, minus 40 for purple, and minus 10 for magentas. That's good. Then go to the split toning, and in the highlight section I'm giving 180, a little bit cyan here, and in the balance I'm giving 65, and in the shadows I think 190 for hue and 12 for saturation. That's good. Then go to the camera calibration and blue primary. Here I'm giving just a little 3 for hue and minus 15 for saturation. So I think it's done. Look at this before and after. It looks more dramatic and moody look. Now press OK when you are done. This is the before and this is the after. If you love this video, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.